Cats hate dogs, because at number 3, he held on for dear life. And at number 2, how dare you try and steal my snack? Before number 1, like and subscribe if you love cats and comment laughing emoji if you think cats are funny. And number 1, they released the puppies.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the f, man? Get your ass on, boy.